Hi, my name's Charlotte and I'm from Salon Skincare, one of the very first companies to provide access to professional salon skincare products in the convenience of your own home. In this short video, I'd like to introduce you to Decleor Aromessence Neroli Amara Night Balm, a hydrating night balm with 100% natural origin. Each Aromessence oil serum consists of masterfully blended essential oils, chosen for their respective properties to treat and ensure optimal affinity with the skin. At night, your skin can concentrate on reversing the damage caused throughout the day, so you can wake up to beautifully looking skin. This balm dissolves into the skin to comfort even the driest of skins, leaving you with a supple, soft, smooth and bright complexion. This invigorating and nourishing balm works at night when skin is most receptive to help maintain the balance and radiance of tired-looking skin. It is ideal for use whenever skin needs a boost. It has a sensual, calming scent which is perfect for relaxing the senses before you sleep. Active ingredients include essential oils of basil to purify and heal the skin, neroli to soften, and chamomile to prevent the appearance of dark spots and calm the skin, Tonka Bean to boost microcirculation, and a combination of plant oils including avocado, hazelnut and beeswax help hydrate and repair. When smoothed onto the face, this 100% natural nourishing balm dissolves into the skin to comfort even the driest of skins, leaving you with a supple, soft, smooth and bright complexion when you wake. In recent clinical trials, after a month, 76% of users woke up with a natural, healthy glow. 93% said their skin felt softer. 92% said their skin looks plumper and hydrated. 79% said their complexion looked more radiant, and 71% said that dehydration lines are smoothed away. If you would like to enjoy these benefits, order your Decleor Aromessence Neroli Amara Night Balm today at salonskincare.co.uk. Whatever your main priority is for your skin, Salon Skincare has the solution.